Parkway. We're here. I know you probably can't see that because it's like blurry as F. Look at this Frontier. Alright, headed to Harrah's. Hoping to win big.
Right onto Paintown Road.
Turn right on Paintown Road. Happy birthday, B. Let's go into this casino. Alrighty, I'll turn it off. Welcome to Harrah'S, Cherokee. Yay! We're into this, or is required to enter? I hate COVID. This is good. Okay, we're camping, and I just figured out how to move this chair so it could go facing towards the living room area, which is set up. We're eating. I got laundry over here. Dirty laundry over here. TV up here. Keith will put his clothes away. Where's my purse? Just wash dishes. And Keith's getting ready to get in the shower. And then I put all of my clothes in here. And shoved my book bag on top. Made the bed. AC's running cold. Oh yeah. AC's working. It works now. AC's working. Yay. Okay, we're headed out to the casino. Here's the spot that we have. I'm sitting in my car. Here's our neighbors. Look at fancy. They got the outdoor kitchen. Fancy. Other neighbors. We are headed back to the casino. We won $4.85 last night. So we're gonna try and make a lot more than that, hopefully. Hopefully this thing will let me film more than 30 seconds. Anyway, there's the office. Here's the pool. Driving through.
800 feet. Turn right onto Fort Wilderness Road.
Nice pavilion on the pool.
Yeah. There's other people up here. We're headed, oh look how cute. We're headed to Cherokee Casino. Oh, there's like kids playing on the playground. How cute is that? Cabin's back here. Here's the trash. When we go to dump the trash, there's the trash. Thanks. Y'all come back. We will. Hopefully with more money. There's cows over here. Look how cute. Hi guys. Moo. Hi.
In the shade. Look
In the shade. You guys are living large.
You got one bull. Those are both bulls.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm not gonna make you mad. You're bulls. Bye.
All three bulls.
Look how adorable this street is. I don't even know where we are. How cute, look.
We're in downtown Cherokee.
Downtown Cherokee. There's the clearance store. There was a place back behind us where you could take pictures with bears. Baby bears. Cute. Winery, next right. Headed to Deep Creek Winery? Alright. Okay, we're coming up on this winery, but I don't think we could fit an RV through here, so it's a good thing we're in the bug. Oh, I see something. I see something. That's somebody's house. It says to turn left. Alright. up. I see it. How cute is that?
Right
Oh.
on your destination.
There it is. There it is. Look how cute. Cute, cute, cute. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I got my mask on. You got your mask on. Let's go. That's adorable.
Just want to do a tasting, or is there a bottle that tickles
Do
your
you see
fancy?
this cute little puppy behind you?
Oh man.
Hi.
Chateau de Joie.
Hey. Hi. Hi. You like my purse? All right, let's get some wine. Hey, food. I'm hungry. He's cute. This place is adorable. I guess you could get me for 2 seconds.
All right.
It's probably going to cut off. If it cuts off.
How about that? We went longer
Then 30 seconds. Okay, look, this wine's good.
Drink up. Gotta take the mask off though. There you go.
Take it off. Yay!
Here you go.
Thank
And if you're on the
That looks
salami,
good.
there's a skin on it, so when you cut it, you're gonna peel that off.
Okay. That looks delicious.
Oregano, cheddar, crackers, and salami. Looks good. So we're off to eat now. Okay, so it's a make your own charcuterie board. Good stuff. Some oregano cheddar. Some
Here comes the
local
dog
salami.
that I'm not allowed to feed.
Of
Hi.
course, the dog.
feed you.
Dog sees food. You're getting your work in, B.
I am. It's a workout. If I was being keto, this would be good. All right.
About time to start eating.
Yeah, let's see. How pretty is that?
Okay, can you fill this 3 water bottles?
My daughter's like, they know. And I'm like, well, let me look it up. And she's like, no. Like, she's obviously already looked at something that I don't see. I'm like, oh, wow. So I go look it up and it's like, okay, well, this isn't that bad. This isn't that bad. Oh, this picture was one thing. I'm like, now you are not. It's gonna rain. You can see it. It's gonna rain. Me. It's gonna rain.
Yeah.
What'd you just do? So I don't have like, but 30 minutes. So by then I'm like, are you sure? You gotta look upstairs.
So, Teresa's enjoying her nice Thomas Falls
Yeah.
White
Thomas Falls White. Citrusy.
Pinot
Oh, it is.
Grigio. Very citrusy. As described, the delicate notes of citrus, pear, and melon. This Pinot Grigio has a nice medium body. In fact, it does have a very nice taste to it. Oh, look at here. We got even more rain going on. Just getting heavier and heavier. How about that? That's kind of what we were looking for. It was getting a little warm up here in the mountains. It's not normally this warm. It was in the mid to upper 80s, which is kind of unusual for this time of year. So maybe this will cool it back down into the 70s, which is a lot better than back home in Fort Mill, where it's a nice chilly 96 degrees. Oh, winery dog is back. There he goes. He says he's had enough of that rain. I don't blame him. So there's good times out here at the Deep Creek Winery. Come check it out. Hopefully Mealy's getting some of this too.
You wash that down, I'll wash that.
Rob. Hi. Inside,
Bye. Oh, he's coming around. He's coming around. Hey. Oh, you're soaking wet. You're out in the rain. Look, the mountains are smoking. Cool. These kids playing there. Steep, windy roads. Hey, we're on the Blue Ridge Parkway.
Not yet.
Next right. Yay! Totally digging this tree. Oh, isn't it pretty? Say hey, babe. Hi. Ooh, that's cool looking. Look at these wigwam shops. Wigwam. Native American. This place is cool though. It's like being at the beach but being in the mountains. You gotta like this here, the Cherokee Trader. Look how cute! Oh my gosh, I love this place. Okay, I'm walking into here because my daughter was over. I'm gonna check it out. So cool!
Hello.
I need to find some wolf stuff. Breakfast of Champions. We had our coffee. Okay, just a newbie item. I should have filmed putting it up, but it really wasn't that hard. I just, of course, used my Loctite to hold this on, and then I just screwed that in. There's a little Loctite at the bottom, but it's my little thermometer temperature reader. It is currently, what is that, 68 degrees in here? Not bad. Made my bed. We're headed out soon. Gotta clean up. I gotta go.